Hey, what's up, everybody? We are going to do our do now stretches. Just follow along with me. We're going to hold each position for about 10 seconds each. This is how you get warmed up and ready for class every single day. So, here's your first stretch. It is a seated reach to the middle. All right, so my legs are going to start together, and I'm going to reach forward and stretch for 10 seconds. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the second stretch is going to be a seated right leg stretch. So I'm going to spread my legs here and I'm going to the right side of my body. Over and count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're going to switch to the left side and do the same thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next one is a seated back twist. So I'm going to take my right leg, put it on top of my left leg, and then I'm going to put my left elbow on my knee and twist my back. 10 seconds in this stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That one should feel really good when you've been sitting all day. All right, we're going to switch left leg over right elbow into the side of my knee, and push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next one we're going to do is the pigeon stretch. All right, pigeon stretch. So I'm going to put my right leg out in front just like this, and I'm going to lean over and stretch the back side of my leg right here. So this is the pigeon stretch, and I'm going to start with my right leg. All right, we're going 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on out of that. The further down you go, the harder it is. All right, left leg next, right out in front of you, opposite leg back 90 degrees, and I'm going to lean over that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, next one is the hip flexor stretch. Hip flexor. So I'm going to come up onto my leg right here, and I'm going to heel in this direction, and I'm stretching my hip flexor right here. All right, so my right leg is out, my left leg is behind me, and I'm going to lean forward into that stretch for 10 seconds. I should feel that right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I'm just going to change legs. Left leg forward, right leg back, and I'm going to lean into that stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Two more things to finish this out. We're going to get into a deep squat. All right? So you're going right here, deep squat. Use your elbows to push against your knees. And you can put your hands on the ground if you want to for some balance. But 10 seconds here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last thing we're going to do is 10 jumping jacks. All right, so go ahead and stand up with me. And we're going to do this to finish ourselves up. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. You are all warmed up and ready to go. We're going to do our dynamic warm-up shortly. Just give me a couple of minutes to finish talking to the online students, and we're going to get rolling pretty soon. Just have a seat in your spot, and we'll get started. Good job, yo.